If you want to flip an image in Premiere Pro 2025 or rotate it 90 degrees, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to mirror your clip horizontally or vertically, and I'll also show you how to rotate it sideways in just a few clicks. These are simple edits, but they can save you a lot of time when you're fixing footage, creating a mirrored effect, or reformatting a clip for your timeline. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, let's cover the flip effect. If you want the left side of your image to become the right side, or the top to become the bottom, Premiere Pro gives you a very easy way to do that. Start by opening the Effects panel. You can do this by going up to Window, then clicking Effects. Once the Effects panel is open, click in the search bar and type Flip. You should see options like Horizontal Flip and Vertical Flip appear right away. Now, if you want to mirror the image from left to right, drag Horizontal Flip directly onto your clip in the timeline. The moment you drop it on the clip, the effect is applied instantly. There's no extra setup required and no complicated adjustment needed. If you want to flip the image from top to bottom instead, just drag Vertical Flip onto the clip the same way. That will instantly mirror the footage vertically. This is the fastest method if you're working with older versions or you just want a straightforward effect from the Effects panel. It's especially useful for quickly correcting a shot, creating a mirrored look, or matching the direction of motion in a scene. And because it applies directly to the clip, you can remove it just as easily if you change your mind. Now let's move on to rotating the image 90 degrees. This is a little different from flipping because rotation turns the clip sideways rather than mirroring it. To do this, first select the clip on your timeline. Make sure the clip is highlighted so Premiere Pro knows which one you want to edit. Then open the Effect Controls panel. You can find it by going to Window, then Effect Controls. If you're using the newer layout, you can also use the Properties panel by going to Window and then Properties. Once you have the clip selected, look for the Motion section, or in some layouts, the Transform section. Inside that section, you'll see a Rotation property. This is where you can manually enter the angle you want. If you type in 90, the clip will rotate clockwise. If you type in -90, the clip will rotate counterclockwise. That's the simplest way to turn your image sideways when you need a vertical or landscape orientation change. This method is great because it gives you precise control. If the clip is upside down or needs a custom angle, you can always adjust the rotation number until it looks right. But for most cases, 90 degrees or -90 degrees will do the job perfectly. Now here's the really fast method for Premiere Pro 2025 and 2026 users. Adobe has made things much easier in the Modern Properties panel, so if you want a quicker workflow, open Window, then Properties. With your clip selected, look in the Transform section. You should see rotate icons for quick 90-degree increments, along with flip icons that let you mirror the clip horizontally or vertically with just one click. This is one of the best updates for faster editing because you don't always have to dig through panels or type in values manually. If you just need a quick flip or rotation, the Properties panel can do it instantly. It's a small change, but for editors who work with lots of footage, it makes the process much more efficient. So to recap, if you want to flip an image in Premiere Pro, use the Effects panel and search for Horizontal Flip or Vertical Flip. If you want to rotate a clip 90 degrees, use Effect Controls or Properties and change the rotation value. And if you're on the newer version of Premiere Pro, the Properties panel gives you fast one-click controls for both flipping and rotating. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Premiere Pro guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.